What's going on YouTube? I am back with another banger video today, and as y'all see from the title, I'm going to see what she makes on the dyno, man. Completely stock 2024 CT5 V Blackwing. Hold on. Yeah, here's my completely stock. All it is, window tint, kill switch. Currently filling up on 91. I got my boy Larry outside with the dangerous C63. That's a bad motherfucker, man. Y'all see it? Hold on, look at his tires thread. Cooked. Can't drive nothing. Y'all see it? Carbon fiber. Let me show y'all a little front angle of everything, bro. Look at the front angle. Dude, this is for sure right here, a thumbnail. Oh yeah, that's fire. Y'all see it? Y'all see he got the gap cam on today. Definitely need me one. Man, we're gonna see what she make. What do y'all think she gonna make stock? I seen some make about 580 to 600 stock, but that's on 93 octane. I live in Los Angeles, California, so I'm on that pure 91. Don't mind, it's kind of dirty. So hopefully I say about Larry, what you think my car gonna make today? 580. 580? I say about 580. Matter of fact, I'll give it 590 just because. We're gonna see. Larry going first. Downpipe tune on E30. What y'all think he gonna make, bro? I'm not gonna lie. I'm calling 570. Yeah, that's what I'm calling. He on the E-Mix. His car was faster than my Benz when I had my Benz. So, I don't know. Guys, look how my car look with the gap cam. That shit look crazy, do it not? His tires is cooked. I don't know, we gonna see. So I'm gonna show y'all his run, and then I'm gonna let y'all know what he made. Only because this is old set. He finna go some new shit. I can't tell y'all that. But are you ready to be fast, bro? Hopefully. I think he'll be fast. Faster than me for now. Alright guys, so Benz just ran 555. Jeez. I had a feeling it was gonna be 550 for sure. 550, that's good. 642. Everybody, so he just made 550 and he made 650 pounds free to torque. It's running hot right now, so we're gonna let it cool down. So here's his interior. So we're gonna give it 2 more runs and then we're gonna see what it do. All right, guys, final run. So far, he made 580. Let's see what she made. 591? That shit is crazy.
You guys just get a tune or something? Or this don't count. This don't count.
Alright guys. Now it's Caddy turn. Get on the dyno. So his car made 590 to the wheel. I'm claiming 600. We had a far drive. It definitely was an hour drive up here. So If his car making 590 on the dyno, I'm guessing about, I want to say 620. My love, what are you claiming on my car? What do you think? If his car made 590, what you think about mine?
625.
625. What you claiming?
I'm gonna say 6.
6. Okay. I'm claiming 620. So we're gonna see. They finna hook it up on the dyno, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. To the engine bay. Engine bay running kind of spicy. Stock car, y'all can see. I got some mods for that, so stay tuned. And then, I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, first run. God damn! I got hit by a rock too. Let's see what she made. So the bottom one will be is what she made. So she made 577. Okay, 577, 558. 588, my bad. She running hot. I'll let her cool down. Alright, second pull. 7th gear. Let's see what she made. 601. The torque dropped a little bit though. A lot, damn. Is it a 60s though?
Maybe we'll keep it at 6.
Ah, baby ran that 6. All right, second run. Oh, third run. See what she made.
The blue one was off, so we can ditch that one.
So 616 is what it made. Are we considering this the second run or third run? Are we considering that one the second run or third run? Second one? Okay, so this is the second run, guys. So 616, 587 torque. So we got one more run in there. We're gonna see what she do. All right, tube. Last run for the Blackwing. So far, made 616 to the wheel.
625.
$616. 616. That's it's not bad. It's what I expected.
Yeah.
So Blackwing did his thing. Engine ran kind of hot a little bit, but you know we cooled it down. This is completely stock, if y'all didn't know. Completely from factory, still 800 miles on it, completely stock. So now it's time to go get some mods done, and you know, See what power we can make. All right, everybody. We just got done with the dynos, so we both in the 600 club. This is his old setup. This is stock. So my car is going in the shop Thursday. We're gonna see what type of power she make, guys. I'm pretty excited for the power she gonna make. CT5 V Blackwing. And I want everybody to stop saying CTS. This is not a freaking CTS. This is a CT5. Oh yeah. This car looks fire, guys. Appreciate everybody for watching. Please subscribe, share, like. The shop that we are at right now, this is European Auto Source. So go check them out for a good dyno. I paid $150. Here's my dyno runs. For everybody who wants to know. This is on 91, not 93 octane. So car ran pretty good, stock. How you feel about your power?
I'm actually surprised, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, what you thought it was gonna make?
I really thought I was gonna make like 550.
550? So guys, so he ran his car on a Mustang dyno and he made 520. So that's when they take the wheels off, strap it to like a hub. So the power that he has today, the 600 is what he really has. Yeah, badass. He's probably one of the best C3 that I ever seen. So yeah, guys, catch you on the next video. Appreciate for everybody for watching. If y'all want to know what a stock Blackwing makes in California, this is what a stock Blackwing makes. No E, no 93 octane, no anything. 91 pure stock. 800 miles. So, all right, guys, I'm out.